Hello everyone, welcome to our draw a picture line game. For this game you're gonna need a lot of imagination and hopefully you have it, otherwise you're gonna be in trouble. But otherwise it's pretty easy, so you need three things. Your booklet, so if you go to your booklet and you find the section called draw a picture line, you're gonna notice that it has 5 spaces. Now if you want to play this game but you don't have a booklet, you can join in. You would need just a piece of paper and divide a piece of paper in 5. And this means our game has 5 rounds, so stick to 1 space per round. Second, you're gonna need a pen. It has to be a pen because I don't want you to erase what you've done already. And third, you're gonna need to listen really carefully to the instructions, otherwise you're gonna be in trouble. And yeah, that's it. So if you're ready, we're gonna start our game.
Okay everyone, so if you're ready, let's just get to it. Round 1. Okay, so you're gonna start with a big square. Done. On top of that big square, you're gonna do a triangle. On the right side, a little bit high of the triangle, you're gonna do a rectangle. On the big square that you did before, you're gonna do 2 small squares. And inside each square, you're gonna do a cross. Now, in the middle of the big square that you did before, there's gonna be a rectangle. And inside that rectangle, there's gonna be a small circle. Any ideas of what it is? Well, here we go. Square, triangle, rectangle, 2 squares, crosses, rectangle, circle. And we get a house. Round 2. Now this one is going to be a little bit easier. So we're going to start with a cloud. A big fluffy cloud, hopefully. Now under the cloud, there's going to be a rectangle. In the middle, well, it doesn't have to be in the middle. It could be a little bit higher. Of the rectangle, there's going to be a circle. If you want to get a better idea, then you might want to fill it in. At the bottom, under your rectangle, you're gonna make a line with a lot of triangles. Okay, so we have a cloud, a rectangle, a circle filled in, and a line with a lot of triangles. And we get a tree, or maybe something else. Round 3. For this one, we're gonna start with a circle. If you want a tip, you might want to do the circle at the top of your page. Now, under the circle, there's gonna be a rectangle. Under that rectangle, you're gonna make a square. On each side of that square, you're gonna make a rectangle. Any idea what it's supposed to be? At the bottom of that square, you're gonna make 2 more rectangles. And at the bottom of each of those rectangles, you're gonna make circles. So we have a circle, rectangle, a square. rectangle on each side, 2 rectangles at the bottom, and then 2 circles to finish it up. What do we have? Well, hopefully something around the lines of a person or a robot or something similar. Good luck, everyone! Round 4. I think this one's gonna be a little bit easier. We're gonna start with a big fluffy cloud. On the right side of the cloud, you're gonna make a circle. If you want it to look better, think small. Now on the left side of that cloud, you're gonna make another circle. This time, let's go a little bit bigger. On top of that circle, you're gonna make another cloud. Don't go too crazy with this one. It has to be around the same size of the circle. Now, inside of that circle, you're gonna make another 2 small circles. And if you wanna get a better idea, just fill those circles in. Now, remember we had a big cloud, right? So, under that big cloud, we're gonna do 4 rectangles. At the bottom of each of those rectangles, you're gonna make a square. And it will be a good idea if you fill those as well. So we have a big cloud, a small circle on the side, a bigger circle on the other side, a cloud on top, 2 small circles inside the circle, which you filled in hopefully. Underneath the big cloud we have 4 rectangles, and at the bottom we have 4 squares, and hopefully you fill those in as well. And what did we get? Well, if everything went well, we get a sheep. And if not, well, it's all good. It's just a game, right? Okay, that brings us to our last round. I know, sad. But okay, give it your best. We're gonna start with a circle. And now, surrounding that circle, you're gonna make another 5 circles. At the bottom of whatever shape you created, you're gonna do a rectangle. And next to that rectangle, you're gonna make a small triangle. And that's it. We have a circle surrounded by 5 more circles with a rectangle at the bottom of them, and then a small triangle on the side. Well, it was supposed to be a flower, but you know. Now, hopefully by now you realize the point of this game. We all have a different perception of what happens, of what we're told. We all come up with different ideas. But sometimes knowing the world around us and being aware of what it's out there can help you understand the meaning behind things.
And that's it, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed the game. If you created a masterpiece, at the end of the school day, feel free to share it with us on our social media, tag in Kimberly Experience, or using the hashtag #DrawPictureLine. And yeah, we're gonna share your drawings with the world.